Trying to lose weight but not seeing results? You're not alone. In this video, we'll uncover the 7 common mistakes people make while trying to shed those pounds and how to fix them. First up, are you tracking your calories? Healthy foods can still lead to weight gain if you overindulge. Skipping meals? That slows your metabolism and can lead to binge eating later. Instead, try smaller, balanced meals throughout the day. Not getting enough protein? It helps build muscle and keeps you full. Without it, you might find yourself snacking more. Drinking your calories? Those smoothies and sugary coffees might be the hidden culprits. Liquid calories don't satisfy hunger like solid food does. Not sleeping enough? Lack of sleep messes with your hunger hormones. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. Skipping strength training? Cardio is great, but building muscle burns more calories at rest. Don't forget those resistance workouts. Expecting quick results? Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a sprint. Stay consistent and focus on how you feel, not just the scale. Now that you know these common mistakes, it's time to take action. Fix just 1 or 2, and you'll start seeing real progress. Like this video? Hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more daily health tips, and share it with someone on their weight loss journey.